What's good, y'all? It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks. Hey, business. Hold on. And I'm here, back at it again with another YouTube video for y'all. So, I got a lot that I want to talk to you guys about. Of course, you guys already know I love to express myself on this YouTube channel. First thing I want to talk about is, to be honest with you, bro, I personally feel like in some way, shape, or form, the system is rigged against the working class. Meaning, us that work W-2 jobs, and let's just say if you're making like under 35 an hour, 40 an hour, bro, like you're barely getting by. And the reason why I'm expressing this is because I really start to feel for people, right? I really start to, I guess, like understand people's financial struggles, because we really taught that if you just work harder, if you just do this, if you just do that, you'll get ahead. But the real truth is that you will not get ahead if you do not own anything. Now, as we know, America is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, consumer-based places in the world, right? Because we're constantly consuming. And in other countries, right, or in other states, whatever, like they make products for dirt cheap and they send it over to America, and America slaps a price tag on it, and it's hurting the consumer's pockets. And then you have jobs that pay low wages, and they expect for the people to be happy when they're keeping the people in survival mode. Now, look, before y'all sit there and try to say, don't blame it on the job, blame it on yourself. Me personally, I'm doing things outside of my job to bring in more money, because you have to. You can't depend on one source of income because that's too close to zero. And it started to make more sense to me when I literally made the amount that I made from my check. I made that in the stock market in a day. And I said, whoa, hold on. Something ain't right. Because it's no way that a lot of people are out here struggling, but you could literally build income in the stock market, and they expect people, this is why they put so much fear out there into the world, right? Because they expect people to be afraid to invest their money. Because it's alright, they keep people in survival mode to stop you from thinking, basically, right? You can't really think that much in survival mode. You're just trying to get through the day, or get through the week, or make your check stretch. Yeah, I'm pretty sure y'all can relate. And you got the people, you know, like I was just reading some comments on somebody else's video from a while ago. People saying, oh, you think running a business is that easy? Yeah, they make a lot more money, but they work a lot more. Which is true. But they created their own thing, and of course you're going to put time and energy towards something that you created. When you realize that you gotta find a way through this human experience, through trying to make it, you gotta create things. Like, you have to add value to the marketplace. And I constantly tell people, if you're gonna spend your money here, if you're gonna spend your money at Target, if you're gonna spend your money at Apple, if you're gonna go to the Lululemon store and buy some stuff, some gym stuff, whatever, you need to put some of that money into the stock market. You might as well own these companies, because what sense does it make for you to work 40 hours a week? You work at 50 hours a week, you get paid every week or you get paid every 2 weeks, and then you just spend the money. What's the point of working for the money? We have to acquire skills. That, like, we literally gotta acquire, because everything is eternal. We have to acquire these skills and learn how to have self-discipline and put the money to work. Don't worry about, oh, it's gonna take forever for me to build wealth. Who cares how long it takes? As long as you're on the right track and you're doing it, bro. You know? Because I'm gonna tell y'all right now, nobody is happy being broke. I don't care who you are, bro. Nobody is happy with that. Nobody is happy making the bare minimum. I live out here in New York City. I try to tell people on TikTok, yo, 15 an hour, 20 hours is not enough money. Then you got people coming in the comment section, $20 is enough if you live with your parents. Bro, I don't live with my parents, bro. I take care of my own stuff. You understand what I'm saying? I'm a grown adult. It's life. So as adults, you gotta figure it out. How am I gonna make more money outside of my job? How am I gonna keep myself disciplined? How am I gonna continue to keep food on the table, keep the bills paid, and still be able to bring in more income? Because a lot of the time, bro, like, when we focus on growth, so if we just like, I'm just working this job just to pay the bills, that's all you're gonna really do. Consciously, you're gonna make decisions just to, I'm not saying, oh, don't pay your bills. I'm not telling you that. Always make sure you take care of what you gotta take care of. But always make sure you're paying yourself first, bro. Make sure your rent paid. Of course, make sure everything is taken care of, but make sure you're paying you, because you work for the bread. You work for the money, bro. That's the truth. The system, when they say, when they say the rich get richer and the poor gets poorer, honestly speaking, bro, the rich get richer is because people that think wealthy, they buy assets. They buy things that make them money. People that think poorly, they purchase everything, they buy everything, but they don't pay themselves. That's all that it is. Literally, that's all that it is, bro. At the end of the day, everybody got the same, well, slow that down. Everybody does not have the same 24 hours. Everybody's living a different life on this planet, right? But it's all about how you're perceiving it. What is your perception on money? What is your perception on yourself? Same thing with retaining your energy, being on SR, being on NoFap. If you don't feel like you could do this journey, if you don't feel like it's beneficial for you, you're not going to do it. If you don't feel like you need to stop watching PMO videos, you're never going to stop. You're going to keep falling into the trap. And listen, I'm not talking to y'all people that done got inheritance, that done got like handouts from your parents, money-wise and shit. I'm not talking to them type of people, bro. I'm talking to the people that's grinding it out, that's trying to really make it out here, bro, like myself. We gotta keep owning assets, bro, because the paycheck to paycheck, the working a whole bunch of hours, but the job determines how much you make per hour instead of you determining that for yourself. I'm talking to these type of people, bro. Because we gotta find a way. We gotta find a way. You know? Assets over liabilities. Always create different streams of income. Never be satisfied with just one. and realize that money is important because you cannot survive without it, bro. I literally expressed it to y'all. I make these YouTube videos to transmute my energy. I expressed it to y'all. I kept it 1,000 with y'all, bro. It's not a good feeling when you just making it. It's not a good feeling, bro. And I'm not blaming anybody. I'm not blaming the economy. I'm not blaming it. I'm just being honest with myself. This is why I'm constantly on myself about this. Bro, you gotta put more money in the markets. Bro, you gotta keep having more, forms of passive income. You have to make it out here, because ain't nobody coming to save you. Ain't nobody gonna take care of you, bro. That's just the truth. People think somebody about to pop out the sky and be like, here, I'm coming to save you. No, bro, that's not gonna happen. Sometimes you gotta let go of addictions. You gotta let go of habits. You gotta be willing to transform yourself. You have to be willing to change yourself. One of the hardest things for humans to do is to change. I can't force you to change. I cannot force no human being on this planet to change, bro. Only you can do that. You understand what I'm saying? I could tell you what you need to hear, but at the end of the day, you're gonna make your own decisions. And then we look for this magic pill, for this magic formula. There is no such thing, bro. That's why they purchase my ebook so that I can show you the way. I created ebooks, right? But I know for myself, things are always changing. Only you're gonna know the way to your financial destiny, your financial journey. Nobody else is gonna show you the way. Nobody else is gonna. It's gonna, like, they can help you learn this skill better, but nobody else is gonna do the work for you. You understand what I'm saying? You have to be willing to do it yourself. You gotta be willing to see through the system, right? You gotta listen. If you got your regular job in the day, then at night, do your own stuff, right? Come on YouTube, monetize your channel, grind it out. Go on all these social media platforms and grind, bro. Because at the end of the day, we in the age of the internet. We in the age of abundance. We in the age of trying to make digital money online. Because we know that jobs is going to keep paying these low-ass wages because they know that there's going to be somebody out there that's willing to accept the job. And then once it, like, I'm going to tell you right now, there's nothing wrong with asking for a raise, bro. There's nothing wrong with that. Because your managers, your supervisors, they see the economy too. They living in the same economy as you. So there's no way they can sit there and look in your face and say, we can't give you a raise. That's not the job for you. Because they want you to be a survivor. They want you to take just enough so that you can come back to work. Because they don't want you to thrive. It's all about mental enslavement, bro. That's what they want to do to the masses. Keep people mentally enslaved, bro. It is sad. While corporations, businesses, they make millions and billions of dollars, the employees is making a couple thousand, 30K, 40K, 50K. What's 50K to a billion? Even 50K out here is not livable. Yeah, you could save some bread up, put some in the market, but when you got real life responsibilities to take care of, bro, come on, let's just be honest. We ain't here to sugarcoat nothing. Gotta find a way through this rigged system. System is every 30 days you got a bill to pay. Every 30 days you gotta do this. Every 30 days. Then on top of that, W-2 employees get taxed the most, bro. Gotta find a way. Shout out to everybody retaining their energy. Shout out to everybody who's been supporting me on this YouTube platform. This is your first time to my channel. All I ask is that you subscribe. It's free. It don't cost you nothing. Give the video a thumbs up. It's free. Get it on the YouTube algorithm. It's gonna help me out. It's gonna help the channel grow. And leave your comments below. Alright? Go after your dreams and goals. Pursue it. always make sure you making some type of income from, feel me, your job, or if you're an entrepreneur, keep grinding it out and make a way, man. Make a way. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talk, TC Fitness. Yes, sir.